What's going on, guys? I apologize, it's been a long time since I uploaded the video. Been really busy, but let's see, let me get settled down real quick. There's the FD, there is the version 1 FRS, and the BRZ. So something very special today. I've had this for about a month now, and you guys will see firsthand. Okay, so as you guys know, I was selling my wheels off the BRZ. It's the work wheels S1R, but a couple of people bailed, and a lot of people are from Canada that wants it, and I don't really want to ship it all the way to Canada. You know, I don't know, I'm just too lazy, I guess. But during that time, I purchased something 18 by 10.5. I purchased something during that time, and you guys will see what I did. Story about these wheels. I knew they were getting discontinued, so I called up like a couple of shops. I happened to get a hold of Speed Image, and they said I was lucky because a customer bailed on their purchase. So I took the chance. It was the last batch coming from Japan, and I had to get them. Obviously a dream wheels of mine too, one-piece forge, and you guys already know what this could be, right? This is the ultimate race. TE37OG, all right? So obviously these wheels are pretty expensive. I think it's just gonna get more expensive later on down the road because it's discontinued. But yeah, let's check it out. So it already comes with like Ray's logo decals, Volk's made in Japan, Ray's Engineering, Volk's Racing, Forge, and then I forgot what that is. Maybe it's a company brand. And then it's got all the associated stickers on the inside. Also, we got our valve stems. So, valve caps and valve stems. I thought this was gonna come in with black valve stems, but it came in with blue. So perfect. Like this is what I really wanted to go along with the OG bronze colorway. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the shop today and mount these tires that I got. I was gonna get it with Toyo's, but I just feel like Toyo's too expensive, you know. I was gonna go with a 265/35 with 18 by 10.5, and it's like I said, it's probably gonna go to the RX-7 first. I want to see how it looks. It's a 5x114 pattern, and then you know, I can just switch it around. I can use the converter, use it on the BRZ, who knows. But my back hurts. Anyway, this are the newest tires that I wanted to try out. Accelera 651 Sport. Let's see. You guys can see tread pattern, right? I always like semi-slick tires that are not too crazy expensive. This should do the work, you know. It's pretty squared. The sidewall's nice. 35 is enough to not go, you know, crazy, hitting fucking dips and bumps for the wheels itself. But yeah, 651 Sport. And I'm gonna go to Hernandez tires in a bit and see how they're mounted. So I'm very excited to see how that goes. But yeah, I'm gonna start putting in the valve stems, and then on all 4 wheels, and then I'm gonna head out to Hernandez tires in Chula Vista, and then we'll see how it goes. But yeah, yeah, let me show you guys the BRZ too. That's done. Everything is like mounted already, tied up. So the newest thing is this. So I just glued this, obviously fiberglass glue. Now I'm about to mold it. I know a lot of people with the Varis kit 3M tapes this and then puts a hardware at the top right here, but I'm not about that life. I'm gonna mold the whole thing. All I gotta do is sand this part right here and then add a little bit of Bondo. Same goes to the other side. So as you guys can see, the fitment for this work wheels S1R is pretty perfect with the Varis kit. So I don't even know if I'm gonna sell it anymore, but if you guys are interested, it is perfect, as you guys can see, for a Varis kit. It is perfect for a Rocket Bunny version 1 kit, as you guys see my Instagram. And it's got pretty much brand new Federal tires. Holler at me. I'm really selling it for a good price. $3K to be exact, with the very, very good condition wheels and brand new Federal tires. So holler at your boy. But yeah, I'm gonna assemble this thing or put this valve stem on the wheels and see how it goes. Where is the hole? Alright, that's one done. Got 4 more to go. Hell yeah. Alright. I definitely don't want to scratch anything. Obviously, it's still brand new. Yeah, I'm excited. Let's do the other ones. Yeah, I'm taking. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Can you say hi?
Say hi right here.
Okay. No. Hi. Bye. Bye. Uncle's video coming up.
You want to help me out then? You want to be in the video? Okay. Alright, close it out. The other side too. Actually, hold on. Open it up again. Find something inside. Like a box. Yeah, do that. Close it.
What are you gonna do with the little box? Shiny wheels. Hi. Welcome to Uncle's video.
Uncle's video. That's right.
Yeah, can you put on my phone? Even let's
I
try.
can put it on your phone, yeah.
Oh, even you can try to put on TV.
I'm gonna put it on TV. Promise.
Okay, on Nick Jr.
Sure.
No. Nothing. Just my phone, okay?
Sure.
So I can watch you every day. I love that video. Even can you put on your TV?
Yeah.
Scooter? Yeah. This is
Hold
like
on.
a boat. What is this?
Can you get my charger?
Sure. See ya.
Careful, okay? Hell yeah. Here at fucking Hernandez Tires right now. It's always like a cringe moment when they do your tires. Even though I've been going here for some time, I still try to look at the wheels and see how they do it and not scratch my wheels, you know. So it's a waiting game right now. They're balancing the wheel. I don't want to stand there and just fucking look at him, like just be on his way. So I'm gonna let him do his work, you know. And let's hope that the wheels doesn't get scratched. But yeah, I mean, the previous times that I've came here, no scratch on the wheels, everything was done. But I've never seen this guy at all, and the guy that I talked to with, he recommends them. So we'll see how it goes. Just wear it all the time, you know. But yeah, hopefully this gets done soon so we can get back on the way home and then store it. I don't think I'm gonna install it today or test fit it on any cars. My back really hurts and I am not gonna, you know, break my back for something right now. It's just really bad. It really hurts. So I'm probably gonna get an MRI. On Monday, tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna check out the wheels now and clean it up. So we are home. I already checked the wheels. There's no scratches on them. So as you can see, how do I get this straight? Okay. Somehow of a little curvature, barely any minor stretch. I don't think it's stretched at all. But it's definitely not squared straight up to the rims. I mean, yeah, to the rim. But that's okay. That's fine with me. It just gives me a little bit more room. For me, when I air out, I'll just tuck in a little bit more on the fender itself. But yeah, all tires, Accelera 651 Sports. Like I mentioned earlier, I am not going to test fit them on any cars today. It's pretty hot too, so I'm just gonna get some rest, drink some medicine, drink a lot of water. But yeah, Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna end the video today. Shout out to my brother for helping me out. And that's the way it looks. Later, guys.